When we have very big or very small numbers, it is useful to write these in a more practical way. This is called scientific notation.
Welcome back to Math Digest.
A number is in scientific notation when it's in the form a times 10 to the nth power. A is a number that is bigger or equal to 1 and smaller than 10. The exponent of 10 represents the number of places the decimal point moves. Let's do some examples. 840,000. We move the decimal point until we get a number between 1 and 10. In this case, it's 8.4. We moved the decimal 5 places to the left. Therefore, our final result will be 8.4 times 10 to the 5th power. Next example, 320. Our number between 1 and 10 is 3.2, so we move the decimal 2 places to the left, which leaves us with 3.2 times 10 to the 2nd power. 0.001. We need to make this 1. Therefore, we'll move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Our result is 1 times 10 to the power of minus 3. Notice that because we now move the decimal point to the right instead of the left, the exponent of the 10 will be a negative number. This means that if you move the decimal point to the right, our exponent n is smaller than 0, and if you move it to the left, n is greater than 0. One last example. 0.00037. We'll make this 3.7 by moving the decimal point 4 places to the right. Our result is 3.7 times 10 to the power of minus 4. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. If you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. See you next time at Math Digest.